type of taxes. So here's the TLDR, the too long didn't read version. I played basketball in college, and one of the greatest NBA coaches of all time, Phil Jackson, used one of the most famous and sometimes controversial of offense systems in basketball history, the triangle offense. As the name suggests, is a triangle formation. Okay, so in business, we have a very similar concept called the iron triangle. And it's a fundamental concept in business. It essentially states that you can only have 2 out of the 3 following factors: cost, keeping costs low; quality, delivering high quality products or services; and then speed, completing projects quickly. So imagine a triangle with each point representing one of these factors. You can pick any of those 2 points of the triangles, but you can't have all 3 at the same time. And here's why. Cost and quality. If you pick those 2, if you want high quality, you often have to invest more time and more resources, which increases cost. Cost and speed. If you need something done quickly, you might have to cut corners or pay a premium for expedited services, increasing the cost. Quality and speed. Producing high quality work takes time. Rushing through the process to meet deadlines can compromise quality. There's a similar concept in taxes. Okay, so let me break it down for you. The tax triangle. Imagine a triangle with each point representing one of these tax-related factors. The first one is taxes paid, and it equates to the amount of taxes you owe. The second is flexibility, how easy it is to access and use your money or assets. So withdrawals, transfer titles of a truck or to another business. Then complexity, how complicated your tax situation is, a multi-entity structure, different entity types, etc. So you have to pick one of those 3. So here's the trade-off. Just like the iron triangle in business, you can generally only optimize for 2 out of these factors at any given time. So see here how it works. Low taxes and high flexibility. If you want to pay the least amount of taxes and have easy access to your money, your tax situation might be more complex. Low taxes and low complexity. If you want to minimize taxes and keep things simple, you might sacrifice some flexibility. High flexibility and low complexity. If you prioritize easy access to your money and a simple tax life, you might end up paying more in taxes.